We'll start off with some breaking news. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be visiting Visakhapatnam tomorrow to take stock of the situation after Cyclone Hudhud made a landfall. Now, the coastal city is coming to terms with the devastation that has been left behind. Remember, after the cyclone made landfall yesterday, Home Minister Rajnath Singh has already spoken to the chief ministers of 5 states to assess the situation on ground. Brijesh Pandey now joining us on the phone line. Brijesh, we understand that Modi will be in fact visiting Visakhapatnam tomorrow.
Yes, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who has been keeping track of the situation arising out of this Hudhud, is keeping a close track of all the developments which is happening. He will be visiting Visakhapatnam. He'll also take stock of the situation, and he has spoken to all the chief ministers of the respective states where this cyclone has made a devastating effect. So the Prime Minister will tomorrow go to Visakhapatnam and take a stock of the situation personally. Sanjana?
Right, Brijesh, thank you for bringing us that update. We also have Manogia joining us on the phone line. Manogia, you've been tracking the story very closely and the cyclone that made landfall yesterday. If you can give us a situation of what it is like on ground currently.
Well, it's extremely tense and grim as far as Visakhapatnam is concerned. It's still blackout. It's still out of connectivity from the rest of the country. But with the Prime Minister visiting it, of course, the people will be pacified with the fact that this would be the first opportunity when Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be visiting one of the affected areas after any natural calamity like this. There has been a demand from the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh also regarding the 3,000 crore demand, which has been also assured by the Prime Minister. So perhaps one of the reasons for Andhra Pradesh to believe that the central government has not been denying them the rights and rather the benefits that they have been wanting in the past few years. And this time, for a change, the Prime Minister will be visiting himself. Perhaps one of the reasons for the state to believe that the central government is equally worried as the state government.